Hi guys! Welcome to Creative Mind YouTube channel with another Photoshop tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create pixel stretch effect in Adobe Photoshop. So first of all, move your model image. Image link is in description. Now choose Single Column Mark tool. Now click on Model to select like this. Now press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Now press Ctrl+T to transform. Now select Warp. Now follow my steps. Now select Pen tool and make selection like this. Now hold Alt and mask the layer. Now select Brush tool and make sure foreground color is white. Here we go. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.